Hey Mini, turn off massage.
I can't control that part of your vehicle yet, but I'm working hard on learning it.
Okay guys, this Mini we're in now does have a software update, so let's navigate how to do that. Thankfully, you can exit the vehicle and update it. It should probably only take around 20 minutes, which is pretty cool. So you can go over to your system settings here. You'll navigate over to where it says remote software upgrade right here. It's operating on, this is the current operating OS 9 system that all new Minis are having. But if you see here, we have a software update that has downloaded to the vehicle and it's ready to update. And Mini does give you some release notes to tell you what's happening in this update. And honestly, there are plenty. We have digital key updates, an all new personal assistant. We have go-kart drive mode updates. Links have changed. Charging screen has changed. Like, this is a pretty big update. And then they go into detail about giving you all these different updates as well, what these different systems are going to be giving to you. Some updates may not be like this. Some of the updates may only just give you some drive optimization notes, but this is a pretty detailed update with some really cool new information on here that I'm really excited to test out. And we're lucky to have this Mini give us some more data. And we even have a new charging screen now with a little bit more of a redesigned unit there. So that's pretty cool. So let's press this update. This is a pretty big one for this car, and we'll see what happens. So all we have to do is now press, turn the vehicle off, and then we can press update. Okay guys, our Mini has completely updated. It's back on and running perfectly smooth, and there's some other nice stuff in here we've seen. It does honestly feel a little bit smoother already in the operating system. A lot of the things are largely the same. The one really cool thing are these experience modes differences I've noticed. So if you pop into all the experience modes, let's load core for a second. You can see it'll go to this experience page. So if you're in green mode, for example, I think it brings you straight to this page right there, kind of bypassing that. But one of the really cool new ones is the go-kart mode. Fun little animations there. We do get the lights on our projector on the dash, but we have a new G-force meter here, which is really cool, and showing our horsepower and pound-feet of torque as well, which is pretty nice. And we even have a battery temperature right there, which is really cool. So hopefully we'll see a John Cooper Works electric Mini in the US at some point, but this could be a fun, useful page for those vehicles. I know in other countries we may get those vehicles before us, but this is just one of the many updates we have on this infotainment system. There's been improvements made to Apple CarPlay, the digital key experience, as well as other charging experience functions, which we'll hopefully test out soon and I conclude in this video.